Welcome to the Occidental Caribe Hotel. This hotel is located on the beachfront with amazing views and close to the most interesting areas of Punta Cana and just 18 miles from the Punta Cana International Airport. The 4-star Occidental Caribe Hotel is great for family vacations and romantic trips with your partner. There are a total of 798 rooms. The dining options are varied, with 7 restaurants specializing in various cuisines from around the world, all included in the Barceló program. Visitors can enjoy original cocktails and appetizers at the resort's numerous bars. For those who love physical activity, the hotel offers a wide range of water activities and sports on the beach and in the resort's facilities. The resort also has a playground specially equipped for children, while adults can relax by the pool or on the beach. The Occidental Caribe offers a complete daily program of activities at the lobby bar, and also there are various swimming pools, as well as an entertaining game room. It also has a large theater and a nightclub exclusively for adults. Overall, good experience. Enjoy!